Today we are going to be rating the ETM RTR from Electro & Co. The battery lasts like 3 hours. So I'd rate the battery a 10. Goes 60. And great suspension.
I like how it has a lot of torque and it goes really fast.
And it's way better than the Sur-Ron. Because the Sur-Rons, this thing's only 3,200. Sur-Ron's
Sur-Rons are like 400.
The Sur-Rons are like 6K.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Like 6,000 or 7,000.
So yeah, that's the rating for the RTRs. And we're gonna go hit some jumps.
This is the RTR. I really like it. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Y'all could purchase this bike at Electro & Co. or on Sir It's your pick.